Week 1, rebuilding my 130k Etsy store with 3D printing. And this week's revenue is at 239 euros in revenue. And remember, my goal is to generate $10,000 a month in revenue in around a year's time. Okay, so this week I closed with a 239 euro revenue. And as you guys know, may or may not know, uh, I ran the quite successful Etsy store, ran it to 130k in revenue. I stopped working on the shop, stopped creating the products, and the shop basically died out because of my inactivity. And now I'm in a rebuilding phase, but this time I'm doing all the rebuild with the 3D printed products and not digital ones. So what I learned this week, actually, so for US people, 239 euros, around 200 and let's see, $286 in revenue. And I'm recording on a Monday. I forgot to record the video uh, yesterday. That's why the number is a bit different now. So as you can see, the total revenue for my store is $110,000. No, sorry, 110,000 euros, and in dollars around over 130. So what did I learn? And this week is that actually I made a huge mistake, and I'll show you exactly what mistake I made, and it caused me to lose the sale for the 3D print I did. So as you can see, I did a post on my YouTube that uh, I decided to share all the revenue each week. By end of each week, I'm gonna share the revenue my Etsy store generates with the 3D prints and also digital products combined. So, and as you can see, I'm saying, but here's a lesson learned the hard way. Someone found a promo code that was way too generous, and I had to cancel the order just to avoid losing money on it. My fault entirely. Always audit your live discount codes. Um, so yeah, basically, let me show you. If I go to my Etsy store and go to where was it? It's marketing, sales, and discounts. As you can see, I totally forgot that I'm running a promo codes for I'm running abundant card offer, favorite item offer, and thank you offer. And what these are, if someone abandons the cart, they will receive the email from Etsy with a 70% off coupon code. And also same for favorite item offer. So if someone's favorites my product, the Etsy gonna automatically send the 70% off discount code. And thank you offer. I what was it? Oh, when someone buys the product and after the sale they receive thank you for buying. Here's like 70 off for the next product you're gonna buy. And I totally forgot that I'm running these, and I have been running these for I am from multiple active since 2023. You can see Etsy sent over 5,000 emails, and the coupon alone generated close to $2,000 in revenue. And so yeah, the order that I canceled, someone used the favorite offer. So they favorited my 3D print. They received the uh, coupon code and they applied it and got it for cheap. So as you can see, this one emails quite a lot of emails sent, but not a lot of revenue. So what I need to do. So the lesson that I learned is that I have to literally go in and click stop sending offers. And same for this. And I have to figure out something else. Maybe I can include the digital products in this coupon codes, and then create another one brand new for the actual 3D prints. But I can't, because I can't run such large coupon codes for 3D print products. I'm gonna lose money. But I make money when someone buys the 3D print product. So okay, that's what I learned by the end of the week. Mistakes made in coupon codes, and yeah, that's it. Made 239 euros in revenue. My goal is still 10k a month and 20 plus, um 20 sorry, 10,000 plus, no, sorry, 20 plus products I need to create. So yeah, and the next video I'm gonna start creating the next 3D print product. And yeah, if you're interested in seeing more my stuff or look into my Etsy store, I actually recorded behind the scenes video where I show you all my numbers, all my ads, all my products that I'm running, everything that I do, transparent. I build in public so you can see all the stuff that I'm doing. And if you're into 3D printing, which I think you are, you can use my profit calculator to understand your net profit. When you put all those numbers in, um, all the shipping prices and electricity and your print 3D printer model, you'll see, and the calculator will analyze if the numbers make sense for you even to sell the product. And yeah, you can also, if you're interested, you can join the community, uh, join other 3D print sellers, and we can chat and discuss what works, what doesn't. So okay, see you in next video where I will show you my next 3D print product that I'm gonna design.